Hello guys, welcome to another video and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's great to see you guys here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn PayPal money for receiving random text message right on your phone. Okay, so stay with me till the end and I'm gonna give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistently that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So guys, the app that we're gonna check out here is called MC Money. Now the company MC Telecom created this app to help test the reach of SMS messages to different parts of the world using the different telecom network. Now basically the app pays you whenever they send you a text message, so it's work worldwide and it's only available for Android devices at this time. Okay, so how it works is that you install the app and allow the company to send you messages to your phone. Okay, so it's just a bunch of random numbers and characters. Okay, and so you can receive several messages each day, or maybe there might be some days where you don't receive any message at all. So it's really depends, but each time you do receive a message, you are going to earn money. So the amount of money that you earn will be depend on which country that you are living, guys, so remember that. So the things you should know about this, that if you don't want to receive the text message for a while, then you can just disable the app. Is that simple? Okay, and you also may delete the text as soon as you receive them, because there no need to store them, and the app, guys, is extremely safe to use and it secure your personal data, is handled according to their strict privacy rules. So, and you need a minimum of only $1 to request a PayPal payout. And you can also look here on the Google App Store. They have pretty much good rating here, 3.9 rating out of 5 stars. So it's really good feedback. And a lot of people saying that they are getting their payouts, and each review or comment that people leave, and the MC Money company actually replies to the review as well. So it's pretty interesting and it's really trustworthy. So I leave a link in the description of this video. You can go to their website and you can find out all the details here, how this works, the specific, and you can here see they have also frequently asked question. So there are so much information here. So guys, I leave a link in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. So it's mcmoneyapp.com. But guys, you not making that much money by doing this. So what if I tell you there is an easy way? So click the first link in the description of this video, guys, and I will share with you more information about that system, and this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description and I will share with you more information about the system, guys. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on daily basis and providing you a tremendous amount of value, guys. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.